Aponkye Nkrakra, goat meat light soup. That's what I have on the table today. And this soup right here got me eating fufu for the first time. Welcome back, guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. It's Rema Healthy Way once again. You are always welcome. So to begin, I have with me some tomatoes, I have garden eggs, and also habanero pepper, and one large onion. Okay, and we are going to boil this separately. We are not going to or start this with the soup base or anything. So for the soup base, I'm going to blend my parsley, fresh ginger roots, and onions. I'm also going to add rosemary and anise. Okay, welcome back once again, guys. I want to say a very big thank you to my returning subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. I really love and appreciate you for the support and everything, for liking, commenting, and always sharing my videos. You are well appreciated. So if this channel has come this far, you have been the parts. You have been a part of this success journey. Thank you very much. So then let's get into the video. I'm going to get this to boil separately, as I said from the beginning. So while I do this, I want to start the soup base and then we continue. Then I'm going to add my blended ingredients. It's so green because of the parsley, okay, or petersilly. Parsley. So then after this, I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning, which I made at home. I'll be bringing the recipe very soon. I'm going to add some meat seasoning and also some salt, of course. So when you are trying this or when you are making this at home, you can decide to go for your choice of spices or seasoning or anything, okay? You don't necessarily have to use what I'm using, but hey, this is just something else. Okay, so this soup over here actually got me eating fufu for the first time. I didn't realize it until I got filled and I was just like, whoa, what happened? Fufu really tastes great. I missed it. It has not been a food that I go for because I see it as a heavy dish and I don't joke around it. Okay, let's go. So now it's ready here and I have to take it off the fire and get it ready to blend. So at this point, when you are blending this, you can add just 1 tsp of tomato paste. Okay, then you blend it together. So now our goat meat or our soup base is ready. It's going on and it's just a check-in time. So I checked on it and it's just doing fine. Since I'm using a small pot, I decided to take some of my meat out, just a little of it, and also some stock because, yeah, I'll need it for the future. The reason why it's important for you to save one could be your blender if it doesn't go smooth. Mine is just perfect, but for presentation purposes, I decided to save it for you because it's part of the recipe. It's part of the process, okay? And we need our soup to be so smooth. I don't know about you. If you're watching me and you think it's just cool to put everything there, it's also fine. So guys, this is just 8 minutes of cooking and it's just going so perfect. It's just doing perfectly well. Okay, so at this point, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you are warmly welcome. I really appreciate you. If you have any comments, it's welcome in the comment section. You are free to watch any other video on this channel. Don't forget, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, I want to say please click on the subscribe button, turn on bell notification. Anytime I upload a video, you are going to be notified. Welcome once again. So guys, this is the end result. Okay, this is our soup and it's just looking beautifully prepared. I mean, it's so yummy. It came out so yummy, delicious. Just look at that. And this is when I try to pair this with fufu. Okay, not for myself, but for someone. And I just ended up eating the fufu for the first time. And to the fufu eaters out there, congratulations. It really tastes great. I mean, this is a plantain fufu and it really tastes great. Just look at that. Look at that. So I'm going to serve myself. Eh? All right. So thank you for joining me here today. I really appreciate you for coming. May God richly bless you. And I want to say a very big thank you for always coming around, coming to support, for sharing, and also commenting, for liking, and all that. Your support has taken this channel so far or this far. Okay, I really appreciate you and I love you so much. Don't forget to stay healthy, get enough sleep when you get the time, drink enough water, and stay hydrated. And I'm going to see you in my next video. So then, here is Rema Healthy Way. It's bye.